Hi guys, welcome to Agla Sem. If you have appeared in your GATE 2021 exam, then I would like to tell you that you can expect the response sheet to be out by 17th February and the answer keys to be out by 20th February. So already you would have come across unofficial answer keys. Even at Agla Sem, you will find that we have uploaded answer keys on the page. I have given the links in the description below. So we have already provided the unofficial, answer keys and analysis of the exam now that all the papers are over. But the one thing that you will get very soon, even before the official answer keys are out, is the official response sheet. Now, what does the response sheet mean? See, GATE was an online exam, right? And you marked all the answers in the computer screen. Now, to make the exam process even more transparent and even more clear for all of you, IITs release your recorded responses. That is, say for example, in question number 1, you had marked option number, the third option. So, in the response sheet, you can see exactly for which question, which answers you had marked. This will also help you to match your answers when the official answer key is out. So for the response sheet will be available. I am predicting it will be out by 17th Feb, that is tomorrow. It may take 1 or 2 more days in case there is a delay in the process. Now the logic behind why we are saying that the response sheet will be out on 17th Feb is because in the past years the IITs have released the response sheet around 3 days after the exam, and this time the exams were concluded on 14th Feb. So tomorrow come over to this link GATE 2021 response sheet on Agla Sem and see what is the latest update. As soon as it is out, you will be able to download your response sheet from the login of the GOAPS. So if you have any doubt of what is the response sheet or how to download it, you'll get it all on this page, and you can also ask us in the comment section below. So a few things that you should keep in mind are, first of all, you will get a single window to download the response sheet. When the answer key is out, the response sheet download window will already be over. So don't wait that let the answer sheet come and then I'll go and check my responses. No, don't do that. As soon as the response sheet is out, just go to the GOAPS and download it and save the PDF, because later on you will not get the chance to do it when the answer key is available. Second thing you should notice that you will also get to challenge the response sheet. So if you feel that that the response sheet is showing that I had marked option number 3, but I remember I had marked the option number 2, so you can also challenge the responses. However, there are very few cases where actually there are any errors in the response sheet, because it is a whole computerized process and chances of errors are very less. The more important challenge window for you would be to challenge the answer keys. So when the official answer keys are out, you'll be able to challenge them also, but that will be after a few days. The third thing you should keep in mind is that your response sheet for the same day, same paper would be different from your friend's response sheet, because see, in the computer based test all the questions and the answers are jumbled up. So don't try to refer your friend's question paper and your friend's answer key. Just, it's better that you download your own response sheet. So these are just a few things that I wanted to tell you. And now that GATE exam is over, you must be waiting for the results. So stay tuned to Agla Sem. We are continuously updating on when are the results going to be announced, when is the response sheet going to be out, when is the answer key going to be out, and so on and so forth. And also be aware of all the colleges that have that are still inviting MTech applications on the basis of GATE. So in a lot of colleges there is no separate entrance exam for MTech. It is through GATE itself, but you have to apply for the colleges separately. For the IITs, obviously the admission is directly through GATE, but for other colleges you'll have to apply. So keep your ears and eyes open and be aware of where you want to go. Do not wait for the last moment. So if you want to do MTech in a particular field, check out which colleges are offering MTech in that particular field, and do see what is the process of admission there, and do not wait for the last moment, because a lot of students miss out on a whole academic session because they don't know what to do, where to go. So that's it. That's what I wanted to tell you about the GATE response sheet and answer key. If you want to know anything else about GATE exam, do let me know in comments below, and we'll obviously make more videos on the same. Thank you so much. Bye bye.